Hello and welcome back to another episode of Project 82. I've lost track of episodes. I think this is actually episode 5. Can't remember. We've got a few things on today. There is progress on the escort at last. Not a lot, but there's progress nonetheless. So in a minute I will take you inside the workshop, show you what's what, show you what we found as well. We found a few extra bits that we weren't expecting and didn't consider. So this is actually taking a lot longer now than we thought, but that's the problem you have when you deal with classic cars like we are at the moment. So I'm going to take you in a minute and show and have a look round. So let's have a wander inside the workshop now, shall we? So yeah. Right, so these window rubbers have been removed, perished. We need to get new ones of them. That's on both sides, both outer and the inner one. As you can see. Right. Now all finally welded on, ready to go. Just got to put the rad back in and whatnot, but we are about to remove the gearbox to replace the clutch and check that out as well. So that's all there. Drive shaft's out. And we've just got to do the same the other side. We did find another little hole up here. Obviously we've removed the windscreen. The hole we had in the driver's footwell has been welded up. I can't open the door at the moment because it's up on the ramp, but so there is a patch now in there. We've got to clean that up. But other than that, at the moment, there's not really anything to report. We will keep you updated as and when we do bits. But I'll probably add a little bit more to this a bit later on. But at the moment we're going to crack on and get the rest of it done for the time being. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Right, so yep, I am back. As I said, all this side's out, dismantled. Hubs there, brake caliper, all the drive shaft bits there. Driver's side. We've now done passenger side. As you can see, the hole that I showed you earlier is done, sorted. We have loosened off all the gearbox bolts. We are going to drop that out. Won't be today now, it's getting on. I did show you earlier that the patch is done, it just needs tidying up. Again, we'll get around to that later on, but at least we haven't got a hole there no more. We do still need all of these little bits. I can't stress it enough, I keep asking. Someone somewhere must have them. Same as the trim there, both sides. Still need an interior, especially driver's seat. If it's in that pattern there, then give me a shout, let me know ASAP please. Also, we would love these little caps. So if you've got them, if you've got replacements of these, please do let me know. But yeah, that's about it for today, I think. I really don't think I'm going to do much more. So again, I apologise for this being a short video. Obviously I mentioned earlier that we'd taken these off. The outer ones aren't too bad. The inner ones, on the other hand, as you can see, are completely and utterly knackered. Both sides. They're no good for anything. We can find the outer rubbers, but we can't find the inners. So again, if anyone knows where to get them from, or if you have any, please let us know so we can get all this back together, get it all buttoned up. Obviously, like I said earlier, we've taken the windscreen out, we've repaired that hole. We needed a new windscreen anyway, so we thought we might as well. The next job on the list is literally to drop the gearbox out to change the clutch. And we're reconditioning the gearbox while we're there. Clean all this up, and then hopefully we can start putting it all back together. So we now have the gearbox out. The flywheel isn't too bad. We are going to replace it anyway though, just so we know. The clutch, which was the reason we took it apart in the first place, is here. So yeah, it's seen better days. It has seen better days. Obviously the new one is all in here. We've got to get all that fitted at some point. We're not even sure it is the clutch now, like we first thought. When we look at the gearbox, it needs cleaning up, but obviously it's not great. But we are slowly but surely getting on with the Escort, so fingers crossed we can start cracking on with this now and get it sorted out. So yeah, that is pretty much all for today. Not really going to do anything more now, to be honest with you. Got a busy couple of days coming up, so I'm going to call it a night for tonight. I do need to recover the Fiesta over though, as you can see. Look, the seats coming off. Fresh paintwork and all that, trying to keep it protected the best we can. At least while the Escort's in the workshop anyway. So yeah, please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, leave a comment. Again, parts, I mention it in every video. If you've got the parts or you know where to find them, please let me know. The sooner we can get them, the sooner that car can get back on the road. You may remember as well, a few weeks ago I said about the Primera and Nissan, the P12. That is just there. That's it, yep, there. Right, that is all now ready to go, done, sorted. It is up for sale, so if you know anyone that wants it, please give me a shout and we'll sort it out for you. But again, that's it for today. Give us a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one.